What are sleep cycles?
Sleep cycles are patterns your brain and body go through while you sleep. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes and includes both light and deep stages, plus REM sleep. Throughout the night, you repeat these cycles several times. Understanding these natural rhythms can help you make better choices about when to exercise and rest for optimal fitness results.
Why recovery depends on sleep?
Muscle recovery and growth mostly happen during deep sleep when your body releases hormones essential for repair. If you cut your sleep short or wake up often, your body misses out on this valuable healing time. Prioritizing quality sleep allows your muscles and mind to recover, making your workouts more effective in the long run.
Aligning workouts with your sleep.
Exercising at the right time helps synchronize your body's natural sleep cycles. For many, moderate workouts in the late afternoon or early evening can improve sleep quality. Avoid intense late-night training as it may disrupt your sleep and reduce recovery, especially if it shortens your total sleep or interferes with deep sleep stages.
Timing your sleep for peak benefits.
Consistency is key for maximizing recovery. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same times every day to support stable sleep cycles. Aim for enough sleep so that you can complete several uninterrupted cycles, usually 7 to 9 hours for most adults. This regularity helps your body repair itself and boosts athletic performance.
Tips for better sleep and recovery.
Create healthy sleep habits by winding down before bed, keeping your room cool and dark, and limiting screens in the evening. Save heavy meals or caffeine for earlier in the day. Combining smart workout timing with strong sleep habits ensures you give your body the best chance to recover and build strength after exercise.